The Galaxy S24 Ultra has sparked quite a bit of controversy with its upgrades. While the hardware changes are minimal, there's no major overhaul in terms of the phone's appearance, and the supposed camera upgrade might not even be an upgrade at all. However, the real game changer lies in the software department, where Samsung has invested heavily in AI-powered features. These new capabilities are undeniably impressive, but the question remains, will they be enough to sway consumers into purchasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra? If you're pondering over this very question, fear not, for I am here to assist you. Having spent some quality hands-on time with the Galaxy S24 Ultra while preparing my final review, I now have a clearer understanding of its strengths and weaknesses. With pre-orders for the Galaxy S24 Ultra currently underway and the phone set to hit the market on January 31, let's delve into the arguments for why this new phone is a worthy purchase, as well as why you might want to consider passing on this particular model. There's no doubt about it, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is packed with impressive AI-powered features that truly steal the show. Samsung has gone above and beyond to ensure that these capabilities are not just gimmicks, but actually useful tools that enhance your smartphone experience. One standout feature is Circle to Search, a collaboration with Google. With a simple circle or tap on any app, a Google search box seamlessly appears from the bottom of your screen. It's a game changer when you need quick information without leaving your current task. But that's not all. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also boasts Live Translate, which comes to the rescue when you need to communicate with someone who speaks a different language. Simply make a phone call from the phone app and enjoy real-time translations. It's like having your own personal translator right in your pocket. When it comes to messaging, Chat Assist is here to help you strike the perfect tone when texting friends or colleagues. No more second-guessing your words, as this AI-powered feature provides valuable suggestions to make your messages more effective and engaging. And let's not forget about the built-in Notes app, which is equipped with a range of AI tools. These tools automatically generate summaries or formatting for your notes, saving you time and effort. It's like having a virtual assistant dedicated to organizing your thoughts. Of course, we can't overlook the role AI plays in photo editing. The Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a slick tool that can transform any video into a mesmerizing slow-motion masterpiece. Additionally, AI provides suggestions for tweaks and fixes to enhance your photos. But the real star of the show is Samsung's generative AI editing tool, allowing you to manipulate objects, resize them, or even remove them from your shots entirely. It's a photographer's dream come true. If you've never been a fan of Bixby, the smart assistant on previous Galaxy S flagships, don't worry. The Galaxy AI capabilities on the S24 Ultra will make you reconsider. From the moment you lay your hands on this device, you'll be captivated by the endless possibilities and the seamless integration of AI into your everyday life. If there was one thing we didn't like about the previous Ultra versions, it was the curved screen. It made the phone hard to hold and interact with items near the edge of the screen. But now, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung has given us a flat display without sacrificing any screen space. Not only is it easier to hold in use, but it's also brighter. The new panel has a maximum brightness of 2600 nits, compared to 1750 nits on the S23 Ultra. This means you'll have an incredibly bright display that's easy to see in any lighting conditions. No more squinting to see details on the S24 Ultra. When it comes to the system on chip, it varies depending on where you are in the world if you choose the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus. But for Ultra users, there's no mystery. Every model of Samsung's premium phone features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This is a big win for the S24 Ultra. If you've seen the speed test between the S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max on my channel, you'll have a good idea of the overall performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It might even make Apple's series chips sweat a little, especially in terms of graphics. But the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 offers more than just performance gains. It also handles power more efficiently and has improved neural processing units, which undoubtedly enhance the Galaxy's AI features we've discussed. We've received the initial battery test results for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me tell you, you won't have to worry about constantly searching for a charging outlet throughout the day. In our test, the Galaxy S24 Ultra impressively lasted around 11 hours while browsing the web over cellular until it ran out of power. What's even more remarkable is that this stellar battery performance was achieved with the adaptive refresh rate enabled, which can scale up to 120 Hz during high on-screen activity. Typically, such fast refresh rates tend to drain a phone's battery, but that doesn't seem to be the case with the S24 Ultra. Additionally, the device's brighter display doesn't seem to have any negative impact on battery life either. Moving on to the camera, Samsung hasn't made many changes compared to last year's setup for the S24 Ultra. However, one noticeable adjustment is the introduction of a new 50-megapixel telephoto lens. But the real game-changer lies in the pixel size of the main 200-megapixel camera, which is now 60% larger than before. This translates into brighter and more vibrant photos, as bigger pixels capture more light. When comparing shots taken with the S24 Ultra and its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, the differences may be subtle, but definitely present. The buildings in the S24 Ultra image have a brighter shine, the reflections on the water are more pronounced, and the blue signage in the background appears richer and more detailed. In contrast, the Pixel 8 Pro captures a much darker image, highlighting the stark contrast between the S24 Ultra and its competitors. While we still have more camera testing to conduct, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a worthy successor to its predecessor, which was my favorite camera phone for most of last year. Apple may have been the first to introduce titanium frames with their iPhone 15 Pro models, but Samsung has followed suit with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means that S24 Ultra users can enjoy the benefits of a more durable material compared to the previous aluminum frame used by Samsung. But Samsung didn't stop there. They also incorporated Corning Gorilla Armor into the new phone, making it 4 times more scratch-resistant than other toughened glass options. In other words, the S24 Ultra is built to withstand life's bumps and bruises. However, it's still a good idea to invest in a quality case and screen protector to keep your phone looking brand new. Speaking of longevity, Samsung has made a significant policy change with the S24 series. Previously, they offered 4 years of Android software updates and an additional year of security support for their top Galaxy devices. But now, with the S24 lineup, you'll receive a hopping 7 years of software and security support. While you may not necessarily want to use a phone you bought in 2024 into the next decade, having the option is definitely a plus, especially when considering the cost of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, what are your thoughts on the latest S24 lineup? Have you already pre-ordered your device? Let us know in the comments section below. And for more updates, be sure to check out our channel. Until next time, peace out.